Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we would be looking how to add strings in Python. So we could use a plus operator, that append, to actually add two strings. We already know that we could add two numbers in Python, so we could do n number of operations here, and this would give us the output. Now let's see how to append two strings, how to add two strings in the Python program. So this is string 1, and let's consider this to be string 2, and let's see how we could add the two strings and get our desired output. So I say, hey guys, welcome. I do a plus operator, and then I'll say to cloud Patashala. Let's save the output and let's see what we get. I say P003.5, and if you see, this has displayed the two things. It says hi, hey guys, welcome, but there's no space in between. Now there are three ways in which we could get the space. I could either add a space here, which would give me the desired output, or I could add a space at the starting of Q, which would also give me the desired output. Or what I could do is I could add a new string and use the plus append operator to get the thing working. So these are the three ways in which we could get a similar function. I'll just write down all the three so that you have all of them on the same page. Now if you see, all the three outputs would look the same. So these are three ways in which we could have a space. These are the three ways in which we could actually add a space, and this program actually shows us how to append two strings in Python. We hope you liked the video and that it's adding more value. If you want to see more such things, please encourage us by hitting the like button and sharing the video to reach more people. Thank you so much for watching. Keep having a good time.